everyone, Erin here. Welcome back to the Impatient DIYer. I have another Michael's grab bag. Super excited. I went to a different Michael's though, so that's why this seems a little less substantial than the last boxes that I got, but we'll see. I'm gonna tally everything up, see how much everything was worth, see if it was worth it. Might go back to the other Michael's because I like the boxes. But they actually had a lot of these, and the cashier said that this was going to be mostly Easter stuff. So I'm excited to see what we've got. I already see this giant Easter egg. But I picked this one because it looked like it had some ribbon in it. Sucker for ribbon. So we shall see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a sparkly egg. So a bright, sparkly egg. Oh my gosh. This is a $10 sparkly pink egg. And it stands. So that is definitely getting painted for next year. Because sparkly pink is not my jam. But I like it. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? $15. It is this adorable bunny. Oh, I'm in love. That was really creepy sounding. Sorry guys, but I am absolutely in love with this. Oof. Oh my gosh. I can definitely see why I didn't sell because there's some paint, whatever. But who cares? Who cares? Some more hot pink eggs. This one stands like this. So that's awesome. This was $1, so worth it. It definitely looks like the Dollar Tree ones too. And I've got some blue ones of those. Another pink one. I actually own some of these. From me and my coworkers did a holiday tree at work because we had a Christmas decorating competition, which we won, but I had just bought these to put on our Easter tree, and then we went into lockdown. So I think it was decorated for St. Patrick's Day all through till the summer. So I actually have some of these because I was getting ready to put these on the tree. And now I have more for whenever we go back to work. So I actually really like these. Oh, it's a dinosaur, Easter basket decorating kit. Oh my gosh, it's an Easter bunny dinosaur. That's pretty cute. What is this? Oh man. Confetti eggs? I don't know what that means. Does this slide off? It's a really nice container. What does that mean? Does that mean you guys have... They have confetti in them. Oh, that's dangerous. I think I'm gonna have to gift that to someone next year with children because that would be, oh, I wish I had confetti eggs when I was a child. I got a lime green, one of those eggs. I got, it's a little foxy, a basket decorating kit. That's super cute. What is this? An egg decorating kit? We just dyed them. Yeah, so it's an egg decorating kit. I don't know if it's just stickers. Oh, 30 foam stickers, 1 tray, 1 egg carton, 1 bag of shredded paper, and then it's got foam dots with instructions. That is pretty cool. Once again, probably gonna donate that to someone with kids, because I think they would have a ton of fun with that. This is a paintable, there's those trucks that everyone's got. It looks like it's got an Easter egg outline. That'd be cute to do. I feel like you definitely got to get, since it's such a blank canvas, I feel like I would want to get stencils or have an image that I could copy to make the truck outline. I feel like that's going to take a little bit more detail work to make that look cute for next year. But it's heavy. and it was $10. So that's cool. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. That's cute. I like the colors. I really like watercolor things. I don't have the guts to try and make anything watercolor, but I really like the watercolor things. That's cute. I like that. I don't have a lot of blessed things. I was about to say in my life, but that sounds like I'm like a miserable person. I don't have a lot of blessed decor. So I might use that. I don't know. I might paint it over. But I really like the watercolor things. So I don't know. Debating. Here is a unicorn Easter basket thing. Super cute. Another egg. And like the sole reason that I bought this was, look at this ribbon. This is 3 yards of ribbon. $4. Still cute. And I do like the bunny ones. I feel like I couldn't really make bows out of this. I would definitely just like do like a border with it or something like that. But I love bunnies. And this is like my favorite color. I'm like shaking this at you, like you can see. Teal, absolutely one of my favorite colors. So super pumped with this. How much was this ribbon? This is $4 too. So a must. Super cute, shiny eggs. I actually really like these colors. I might just use these as is as like a vase filler next year. That's $5. Yeah, these are super cute. So yeah, like I said, definitely not as substantial as the one that I got that had all of the St. Patrick's Day stuff in it. Those 2 boxes, different Michaels. So it's really good to know that like different Michaels are going to have different, like, standards. But super excited with all these things. I think they're going to be a lot of fun to DIY with next Easter. This I'm probably going to use, I'll save it because it's almost summer. I feel like this could be a summer color, but I want to go brighter with summer stuff. But I think this is what I'm most excited about. But no, I'm definitely going to be able to use all of this stuff next year. And for $5, I think this is still a really good deal. And I am going to be looking out for more of these. My fiance said I'm only allowed to buy one at a time now because I have a lot of stuff and we are house hunting. And this is a lot of stuff to move. So, but that's not going to stop me from buying a box. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know down below if you guys want to see more of these in the future. Super quick video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye for now.